Welcome back to the presentation around Beyond Buzzword Bingo, my presentation on data science and AI. This small piece is around why is AI or data science so significant. If we go back to what I presented in previous pieces, the definition of data science, I typically don't emphasize this side of the story. That is often data science is called the fourth paradigm of science. So that means that there are actually more than one paradigm of science. That's the empirical, theoretical, and computational paradigms of data, in addition to the latest one, the data-driven paradigm. So really, what is this about? Don't know whether you recognize this. This is a picture of Zeus, the Greek god, and this typifies the pre-science paradigm where natural phenomena were explained by deity. So across cultures, this paradigm exists where gods are called upon to explain, for instance, thunder and lightning, like here with Zeus. Now, later in history and again across the globe, the empirical paradigm actually came into being, where observed natural phenomena were confirmed by theory. So discovery was driven by observation. A good example would be here, an apple or a tree, an apple, and it falls down. If it falls from the tree, does it fall from the earth? It doesn't. And enter Isaac Newton, who explained this for us with theory and confirmed that. Another example would be Galilei Galilei, and that is also interesting to see because Galileo, when he said that the Earth was not quite the center of the universe, actually needed to explain himself to the Inquisition in order to, well, obviously stay alive, but also the conflict with the previous paradigm. Don't know whether you recognize any people on this picture. Obviously, well, if you should be able to see Mr. Einstein over here, Albert Einstein. This is Marie, Madame Curie. This is Lawrence. And this is at the Solvay conference. So this is quite some time later. But these people are actually the pinnacle of the theoretical paradigm, where the theory started to predict phenomena that would occur. So the theory confirmed by observed natural phenomena. So discovery would be driven by theory. And to show just that, I don't know whether you recognize this, but this is the Large Hadron Collider at CERN in Geneva in Switzerland, where we actually use a lot of technology to prove what any of these folks actually predicted. So, next paradigm would be the computational paradigm. This is the Colossus, the first computer that was constructed, or one of the first computers. This is a more modern one, an enormous cluster of sun. And the computational paradigm actually observed natural phenomena were explained or are explained by computational simulation of reality. So we actually compute the discovery. So what's the fuss? What's this data stuff now? So, well, actually, it's the promise of a paradigm shift. That's what's making it so hot. The term of the fourth paradigm was actually coined by this book. And what it's about is that we're trying to discover unobserved complex natural phenomena from computational simulation from the data. So what we're trying to do is actually discover reality from data that we can't actually discover ourselves. In very recent history, there are a load of books from Yuval Harari. In several forms, there are loads of other authors, but they actually indicate the significance of the importance of data and the related data science. I hope this explains what some of the background around the significance of data science and where it fits in the science history. Thanks for your attention.